In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on TradingView so you can practice trading without risking any real money. A TradingView demo account is perfect for beginners, but it's also incredibly useful for experienced traders who want to test strategies, practice setups, or experiment with different market conditions, all without connecting a real broker. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open TradingView in your browser or desktop app. You don't need any extra downloads, and you don't need a broker account for this process. Once you're logged in, go to any chart. It can be a crypto chart, a stock chart, forex, anything you want. The features work exactly the same. Now look toward the bottom of your chart, and you'll see a tab called Trading Panel. Click on it. This opens the area where TradingView lists all the brokers you can connect to. You'll see options like paper trading, Oanda, Pepperstone, and others depending on your region. If you want to create a demo account, the easiest option is TradingView's built-in paper trading feature. Find paper trading by TradingView in the list and click Connect. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the connection. Click Connect again. That's it. TradingView instantly creates a full demo account for you with a default balance of $100,000 in virtual money. You don't need but a broker login, no verification, no extra setup. Now, you can trade directly from the chart just like a real account. You'll notice a new panel showing account balance, positions you're currently holding, orders you've placed, history of all trades, your trading journal. This makes it extremely easy to track your progress, backtest strategies, and learn how order types work, market orders, limit orders, stop losses, take profits without risking any real funds. You can buy and sell directly from the chart, experiment with indicators, draw tools, alerts, and get comfortable with the TradingView interface before going live with a real broker. And that's how simple it is. Open TradingView, go to any chart, open the trading panel, click Paper Trading, connect, and your demo account is ready instantly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.